Hello, boss. This is a 20-foot house with two 40-foot cabinets. 1.5米 wide terrace. U-shaped kitchen 加 hanging cabinet. Storage, cooking, everything. The water and electricity for the kitchen will be made with the house. Let's take a look. External washstand. Dry and wet separation toilet. Privacy glass. Open bedroom. Dressing table. Spacious bedroom area. Follow my footsteps. A 1.5 meter wide terrace is also designed at the back of the house, applicable to coastal, homestays, camping, hotels, home living, rental housing.